Hi guys, my name is Zoe Wolf. I am from a small little town about 45 minutes south of Fort Wayne. The most fun that we have around here is like going to Walmart or football games on Friday nights. We are surrounded by Amish and cornfields, if that tells you anything. Um, I love to travel. Kentucky is my favorite place and is also where I'm hoping to move after graduation. So we'll see how that goes. As far as like a summer vacation, I would definitely prefer to spend some time in either Myrtle Beach or Hilton Head, South Carolina. Those are probably top two favorites. Um, I come from a rather large family. I have 60 cousins on my mom's side alone. And yeah, we're a little hillbilly. I am a sophomore and I'm hoping to get in with young kids. The younger the better. Just can't really talk back, shy of like saying no when you ask them to do something. I actually currently work in the daycare at my church. I just started that this week. So I spent my day with some pretty fussy 1-year-olds today, but I'm still loving it so far. After graduation, I don't know if I'll stay at the church or if I will look for an actual school. Um, I haven't decided that part yet. All I know is I definitely don't necessarily want to stay in Indiana. So, that being said, I look forward to hearing from you guys and getting to know you guys a little better this semester.